This tutorial is on how to use the distributive property. Remember, multiplying a number by a sum or difference is the same as multiplying each number in the sum or difference and then adding or subtracting. So we need to solve using the distributive property here. When you are given those directions, then you must show using the distributive property. When you distribute, you're doing exactly that. Whatever's on the outside being multiplied, you will distribute it to everything on the inside by multiplication. Okay, so 1/2 of 12, so we'll show that by multiplying 1/2 times 12 minus 1/2 times y. So 1/2 times y. Well, I can get an answer for this. So what's 1/2 of 12? It's 6. Minus, what's 1/2 of y? Since I don't know what y is, I'm going to leave it as just 1/2 y. That as far as you can simplify it. Okay, so there's my solution. Over here, we have all numbers, so I should get a single answer. Okay, single number answer. 2.5, again, you're going to distribute 2.5 to everything on the inside by multiplication. 2.5 times 2, just showing my work, plus 2.5 times 4. All right, 2.5 times 2 is 5. 2.5 times 4 is 10. So my answer here is 15. Okay. All right, over here, we have a variable on the outside. So that means it will stay with the 3, and everything treated as one term will get multiplied by everything on the inside. So 3x times 2 plus 3x times 7. Whoop, I didn't give the answer there. Got to show my steps here. 3x times 7. All right, simplify it. 3x times 2 gives me 6x. 3x times 7 is 21x. So same variable. So combine my like terms. 6 plus 21 gives me 27, and x stays the same. Okay, that's as far as I can simplify it. I don't know x, so I just leave it like that. All right, well, what if that number that's being multiplied and distributed is behind? You do the same thing. You multiply it by everything on the inside. Okay, so 4x times 7x. So 4x times 7x minus 4x times 6. So 4x times 7x will give me 28x squared, okay, because x times x is x squared, minus 4x times 6 gives me 24x. That's as far as I can take it. I can't go any further because these are not like terms. All right. What if your numbers on the outside are now negative? Is that going to affect anything? Sure. Am I still going to distribute? Yes. So I'm going to take -3 times all the terms inside. So -3 times 4 plus -3 times 7. So -3 times 4 is -12. -3 times 7 is -21. And then you have to remember your integer rules. So same sign, find the sum. So 21 and 12 gives me 33. So 33, and they are both negative, so it remains negative. Okay, what if we have a variable involved? Still going to distribute whatever's on the outside to everything on the inside. Okay, -5 times 3x. -5 times 5. So negative 5 times 3x gives me negative 15x. Negative 5 times 5 gives me negative 25. And since I have two negatives back to back, we want to do the opposite, add the opposite. So I have negative 15x plus 25 as my solution. Hope this helps you.